Hi friends, today we are going to learn how can we install WordPress in Namecheap. First you need to log in your account in namecheap.com. Then go to hosting list, click here and then click go to cPanel. Very easy process, just check step by step. So first of all, uh, when you come to the cPanel, you can see here scripts and WordPress. So if you are unable to see this, just scroll down and go to the software section and click WordPress Manager by Softaculous. So right now I'm clicking in here. So you need to install the WordPress from here. Just click on install button. So here is the important part. You need to select HTTPS, or if you want to add subdomain www dot or another. So I want to use HTTPS. Then in directory I want to leave this blank because just I want to publish my website in my main domain. Okay, no any directory directly. So then you can select here from your WordPress version. So 6.8.1 is our latest version. You need to select site name. So give the site name e-commerce. Oh, I want to give this site name Rios international. Then site description e-commerce. Okay. So you need to put here your username, like as I want to put my username admin password. You can put your own password. Always try to give a strong password. Okay. Then admin email, which through you want to log in. So the login method actually work two method: admin username or admin mail. Okay. So set up your admin mail. Then select language, and if you want to select any plugin, just click the plugin. Or if you want to set up any other plugin, you can click manage plugin seats and you can easily manage your plugin. I have no interest to install plugin from in here because I want to install all plugin in from WordPress dashboard. Okay. Then email installation details into that's mean when the installation process complete, you will get you will notified your WordPress install successfully complete in your mail. Okay. Please try to give here your mail and then click just install button. That's it, the process. So right now I don't want to install WordPress because lots of privacy in here, because this account I'm using as a freelancer, or you can call that I'm working as a worker in here. So I don't want I don't want to share all the information in. So follow this step. I hope you will be benefited, and if still you are facing any problem, directly uh, you can comment in my YouTube videos. I will replay that. Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.